Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a line art design from text with AI in Canva. So all you have to do now, you can open Canva and try sign in into your account. If you don't have, please sign up if this is your first time. So here under the trending apps, the latest and greatest apps, you can search for coloring book. This is the bring your imagination to life with this coloring book. So you can create a line art design from text with AI. So here we go. You can click use in new design. Let's start with the whiteboard. And here we go. Wait for a moment. Here you can describe your coloring book style. A beautiful garden with a fountain, a cute puppy playing in the park. You can try this as an example. Your description can be any language, but English is likely to give the best result. So when enabled, this is the consistency mode. When enabled, output will be more similar to each other. So let's try let's try a dragon flying over a volcano. You can click generate image. So please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go, this is the image. So you can color this image, a dragon flying over volcano. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.